Hello everyone, dear friends. In this video I want to go from a balance of $2,319 up to $4,500, that is, to double my balance. Essentially by using my favorite indicator, the RSI. And before we start this video I want to mention that I have my own team. Together with my team, we hold 2 trading sessions every weekday and 1 trading session on weekends. By the way, I publish all the reports from our team trading sessions on my Telegram channel. And by the way, just recently we started a challenge where we are trying to go from $500 to $225,000. That's the price of a Porsche 911. This goal was chosen by the subscribers of my Telegram channel. And if you want to join this challenge, you can message me on my Telegram channel. The link to it will be in the comments under these videos. Just say something like, "Hi, I want to join your team," and I'll add you completely free of charge and give you access to the training materials and the VIP channel where our challenge takes place. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the comments under these videos. So let's get started. Today, the amount per trade will be $500. The expiration time today is set to 1 minute. Also, let me tell you about the RSI indicator settings, and later I'll explain the essence of this strategy. So let me find a currency pair so we can open our first trade, and after that I'll explain the core of this strategy to you. Alright, I found the first good opportunity to open our first trade. And I'm not going to hesitate here. I'm opening a $500 trade upwards right away. And of course, what we see right here, even without looking at the RSI indicator, is that a distinct price channel has formed, and we can see how the price is reacting to these levels right now. So even without the RSI indicator, it is quite clear to see that the price will likely experience a strong reaction upwards from this level. Alright, let us now head right back to our trade. We have about 27 seconds left until our trade closes. Of course, on this specific currency pair, the price action is quite volatile and reacts very sharply to almost any market movement. So while we still have about 13 seconds left until our current trade finally closes, let's take a quick look at the 15-second time frame for more detail. Now there are only 5 seconds left until our trade officially closes. Alright, and our trade closes in profit. We earned $930 and now our balance is $2,749. By the way, dear friends, in this video I am breaking the rules of risk management and money management. You absolutely should not do this. So let's go back to the 1 minute time frame. So the reversal has already started here, so I won't open a trade here anymore. Now let me explain the essence of this strategy to you. So take a look, our price for this currency pair is marked in purple, the overbought zone line is marked in red, and the oversold zone is marked in green. When the price touches the green oversold zone, we open a trade to go up. When the price touches the overbought zone, we open a trade to go down. So the strategy is as simple as possible. Alright, let me find another currency pair and we'll open our next trade. So, I've carefully identified the next good moment to open our second trade. We're opening a 1 minute trade for a total of $500 in an upwards direction. Also, it's definitely worth noting here that there is a significant support level from which the price has already reacted several times in the past. And precisely at this moment, this very support level is acting as our clear oversold zone. That's exactly why you can confidently open a trade to take a long position right here. Of course, I opened the trade a bit above this specific area, but I think there won't be any issues with this trade at all, since the price is reacting upwards from this level. Also, dear friends, I almost forgot to remind you, or rather to tell you about the RSI indicator settings so that it gives more accurate signals. Here you need to change the value from 14 to 20 and click the save button. So there are about 5 seconds left until the second trade closes, and now this trade is about to close. So the trade closed in profit and the balance is now $3,174. Excellent. Alright, let's take a moment to find another suitable currency pair so we can successfully open our next trade. So I've just found the next really good opportunity to open our third trade of the session. Let's wait patiently for this current candle to close and then we'll open a $500 trade in the downwards direction. especially since we have this clear channel here which the price is actively reacting to right now. So let's just wait for this candle to finish closing and then we will immediately open our trade. So because it's possible that the price will continue moving within this channel or a reversal might start right now, that's why we're waiting for this current candle to close and then we'll open our third trade. We can see that the candle is currently moving along right at the very bottom edge of this channel. Alright, we're opening a $500 trade downwards. So let's switch right over to the 15-second chart time frame and take a closer look at what is happening with this trade. But I can already see that a very good and clear downward candle is forming right here. Alright, and there are about 40 seconds left until this trade closes. And I think we shouldn't have any problems with this trade. Alright. Also, dear friends, I want to tell you about the previous challenge that we just recently finished. In the previous challenge, we went from $100 to $50,000. It took us about 6 weeks to complete this challenge. And as you can see, we successfully completed this challenge. And just recently, we started a new challenge. So if you want to join this challenge, you can simply follow the link in the comments to my Telegram channel, message me, and I will add you to my team completely free of charge, and you'll be able to take part in our current challenge. So something glitched a little for me, but this trade closed in profit for us. The balance is already $3,654. And now let's go back to the 1-minute time frame and carefully look for the next currency pair, so we can successfully execute what might be our final trade. Alright, perfect. I found the final moment to enter our final trade of this session. I'm opening it right away here. Oops, I accidentally opened 2 trades. But my dear friends, of course, it is actually quite a significant and risky mistake to open 2 separate trades at the exact same time, but there is absolutely nothing we can do about it at this point, dear friends. However, I truly think we should not have any major problems with this particular trade, especially since the market price reacted so strongly and clearly to our established support line. So I don't think there should be any problems with this trade, but of course you shouldn't do it this way. Opening 2 trades in a row at the same moment is of course my mistake in this case, but there's absolutely nothing that I can do about it now. Let's go back to the 15-second time frame and see exactly what is happening with this trade. We can see that a downward reversal is gradually forming, but there are 3 seconds left until our 2 trades close, and I think they'll close without any issues. Yes, both trades closed without any problems. Our balance is now $4,500. On that note, dear friends, we'll wrap up this video. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Check out my Telegram channel, there's a lot of useful content there. I also occasionally write articles for my Telegram channel subscribers. And also, if you want, you can take part in our challenge and reach $225,000 together with us. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye everyone.